Hello viewers, welcome to this YouTube channel. This video is all about the importance of helping the poor people and to make their lives happier. It has two parts. The first part is all about the statistics collected about the poor people in India, and the second part is about the daily incidents or events that are happening to them and how they are treated in this society. After watching this video, you will never leave them alone, you will help them. So don't skip this video, continue watching. Come on, let's go to the video. India is the second most populous country in the world, but 2/3 of the people in India live in poverty. 1.4 million children die each year in India before their 5th birthday. Due to poor conditions, girls can't able to get good education at the right time. Due to poor hygiene conditions, children get easily affected by cholera, dysentery and other diseases. This is the poverty chart and it is got rapidly increasing due to COVID-19 situation. 1,000 people die of hunger every day in India and 20 crore people sleep without food in India. 7.8 million infants were found to have birth weight of less than 2.5 kg. Child labor prohibited by law, but 12.5 million children below ages 15 and 14 are still working. Parents were responsible for our growth, but nowadays children after becoming their adult drove them away in streets and not even taking care of them. This is the two sides of our country, 4 kids and 4 packs. Tell me again how hard your life is. You hate your life while some people dream of having your life. Can't we wipe those cry for food and shelter? See, most of the poor people live in villages without proper facilities. They don't have food, clothes, shelter, electricity, etc. Think about our life, how difficult it will be without those things. Poor boy crying for hunger and no one to help him. Finally, he took the waste food from garbage and he delivered to his brother. If we help someone to fulfill their dream and that effort made for the happiness of others, that will lift above ourselves. In most parts of our country, girls didn't get good education, but they are more interested to learn. She has taken one school uniform from garbage and she is willing to go to school for education. No facilities in her family to even stitch a uniform, so she herself do some work and finally got that uniform. But when she went to school to draw them away from school, she was depressed. The waste we are throwing outside may be the food for someone, so don't waste the food. This boy don't have food to eat and he ran to drink water to fill his stomach. We can't help everyone, but everyone can help someone. Sad life of a poor boy, sleeping in somewhere in the streets and getting beaten by others, and eating the food which we throw as waste in the street. Even if they have money and they are not treated well even in shops also. Help the poor outside. Even just 5 or 10 rupees will make them really happy. Feel the pain of hunger and provide food to the needy people around us. One person is helping is this old lady, but she gives the money in exchange. What a humanity! This is a very sad thing to watch. Please help them and make them happy at their lost stage. Don't leave them alone. Many people don't have even slippers. They're making their slippers by themselves by using their collected waste materials.
You work hard, you make money, you do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help, you make their lives better. You become that sponge which can absorb all the negativity, and you become that person who can emit beautiful positive vibes. And when you realize that you have changed someone's life, and because of you, this person didn't give up, that is the day when you live.
Whatever you may have knowledge, you have sometimes better economy you may have. Better, because sometimes you have a kind words you can have. So if you use and make somebody's life happy, that is you are giving, and his or her life is happy, that's a best thing a human being can think of. Then you will get a conflict-free world.
No one has ever become poor by giving. We don't need to have deep pockets or be rich to help the needy. The poor and the hungry, we need to have an heart. Poor people are often more generous because they know what it's like to have nothing. Extending one hand to help somebody has more value than joining two hands for the prayer. Never worry about numbers. Help one person at a time and always start with the person nearest to you. Part of being a person is helping others. A helping hand doesn't need to be big in size. It is the helping attitude that matters the most. I hope this video will make the people feel and help those needy people around us. If we can't help them, then who can help them? So think before it and help those people and make their lives better. For spreading the awareness to help the poor people, I have created one Instagram group called Help Needy People Around Us. I have mentioned that link in the description. If you like it, please follow. And if you didn't watch my previous YouTube videos, in the description I mentioned the previous videos link, so please use it to watch it. If you like my video, press the like button. If you have any comments, drop your comments in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to you. If you still didn't subscribe to my channel, if you like my channel, please do subscribe and share it if possible. Now it's time to buy.